Hi, my name's Dr. Marcus Spry. I'm a dentist in the United Kingdom and I run a practice here. Today we're going to be looking at the wonderful world of sonic electric toothbrushes. Right, today we're going to have a look at some sonic and electrical toothbrushes, and it would have been really easy just to get a Philips one or something like that, but we didn't want to make it that easy. So we're looking at some of the ones that you can buy from eBay and that you can buy on the internet. So this one here is a K-Babo. So let's do a little bit of unwrapping and see what it is. This is I can only say what it is in the currency in the United Kingdom, but I think this comes in at 99p delivered, okay, which is just extraordinary, isn't it? You'd never think so. It doesn't come with a battery, unfortunately, so you have to go to the expense of putting a battery in. But my word, look at that, 99p. So does it work? It does. Hooray! And that's vibrating. So this is the basic aspect of a toothbrush that works by sonic, is that it actually vibrates. So that is vibrating there. I won't put it in my mouth because you won't be able to see it, but you can imagine that against, I've got a little model here, so you can imagine that going along the gum line, and in essence, if you had it off you could brush your teeth with it, okay, but by being on we get extra energy to disrupt the soft biofilm that is plaque, and we would work that round and make sure that we get all the plaque off. Alright, so my goodness, 99p, there we go. So that's one possibility. So I'll put that to one side, and then we have one here which is the mighty price of £11.95, I think this one was, a Sonic Clean. So let's have a little look and see, unbox this. So this one has a base which you can plug into your USB or USB charger, and then we have the unit which fits onto it. Ooh, it comes with a bit of power. Brilliant. So that goes onto there, and that is an induction charging device for the battery, so that charges it up when you've got it plugged in. So it says clean, white, polish, massage and sensitive, so we'll have a look at that in a moment, but the thing works by having a docking port there which will inductively charge the battery inside, and then you have a brush which they supply it with which fits onto the top there, and then when we switch it on, yeah, it vibrates. Hooray! So it's the same thing again. That will allow you to you can hear the vibration. Okay, so that just disrupts the plaque a little bit more, and that's in clean mode. Let's have a look and see what it does in white mode. Okay, so do we need, oh yeah, there we go, push it down. So yeah, it's going a little bit quicker, isn't it? So how much whitening that's going to do, I don't know, but it's going to remove a little bit more plaque by virtue of it moving a bit further. And then we've got polish. That makes an interesting tune as well as you go up the various different settings, and then oh, massage. There we go. So we've got that sort of pulsing away there, and then we've got sensitive. So that's going a little bit less. That makes some sense, but that's still definitely vibrating. So for £11, £12 delivered, I think that's pretty good, isn't it? So I think probably the most obvious one would be to have it on clean, and then to make sure. Now it doesn't matter what it's doing, the key things always are to get to all the areas, especially the join between the gum and the tooth. So, and if you want to, you could buy a Philips, or you could buy one that is like this, which is the Oral-B one. They do a huge range of toothbrushes. So you know, these are just some alternatives. It would be a really easy video just to show you these ones, because I'm sure hundreds of people have seen that, but there are some quite interesting ones that you can buy off the internet, and it even has a CE marking there, which is interesting. That should be okay. So there we go. We have a Sonic Clean toothbrush, and we have, this one would be great to take away on holiday, wouldn't it? for 99p, and no, that bit's fixed on. So we've got here, which one is the K-Babo Sonic Electric Toothbrush, but remember to get yourself a battery for that one. There we go. So all of these things are great as long as you get them all the way around your teeth and get all of that nasty plaque off. So I wonder if you might like to share with me your experiences of sonic and electric toothbrushes, and which one you find most successful. I'd be really interested to hear, and perhaps you could put a comment in the box below. Thanks. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on these boxes for more of my videos for a smile for life.